Max and Sons Parfum is here to help you feel and smell your absolute best. If you are new in this channel, don't forget to like, leave a comment, subscribed, and smash that bell button to keep you updated. Let's get started.
So hi, this is Max and Sons Parfum again, and we are going to unbox the Azzaro or Wanted by Azzaro. Okay, so Wanted by Azzaro is a woody spicy fragrance for men. Wanted was launched in 2016. The nose behind this fragrance is Fabrice Pellegrin. Top notes are lemon, ginger, lavender, mint. Middle notes are apple, juniper, guatemalan, cardamom, geranium. Base notes are tonka, amberwood, and Haitian vetiver. Okay, so we are going to open it. As you can see clearly. Okay, sealed. It's sealed. Okay, so we open here. Alright, we remove the plastic, as you can see. Okay, alright, so we remove already the plastic. Okay, sorry. Then this is the Azzaro. You can see it's really good. Okay, then this is the box. Okay, that is the code, I think. Alright, so let's try to see what's inside. Okay. Oh, look at that. Okay. Alright. Careful. Oh, wow. So this is the exact bottle. Okay, this is the exact bottle. Alright. As you can see. Okay, you can see here. It's just like like pistols. Okay, then you have here, oh, this is the cup. It's really good. As you can see, it's here Azzaro. Okay, then this is how it looks like. It's like bullets from the gun. Okay, and this is like plastic, and this one is glass. As you can see, it is exquisitely engraved. Okay, and the liquid is like yellowish, and you can see the code in this button is engraved. It's not a sticker for this Azzaro. Okay, usually these are stickers, but for this Azzaro is engraved. So if you put your finger, you can feel it like it was engraved from the glass. So this is it. So let's see how it smells. So this is the box. You can see there's nothing inside. It's like a block. So this is how it looks like from the front, the side, the back side, and the left side, and this is the like bottom of the box, as you can see. Okay, alright, so now we will see how it smells like. Okay, so let's see how it smells like. Let's try to spray it in my wrist. Okay, oh my god, It smells is really good. It smells is really good. Okay, I think and I'm sure that the smell is aromatic. It's so aromatic. It's like warm and spicy. It has a citrus. It has a woody, fresh and spicy. Amber. It has an amber, fresh, vanilla, fruity, and green. So the mixture is so nice to smell. It's really nice to smell. So it's really good. So I think it's really cool. And I think I like, personally, I like the smell. It's sweet. It's sweet, fresh, and spicy. A little bit woody. It has citrus. It's warm also. Aromatic. Green, fruity, vanilla, fresh. So I like it. So if you want to buy this one, this is available in Max and Sons perfume. As you can see, it's really nice. It's really nice bottle. And this is the cap. You can just return it like this. Okay, really nice. It's like caliber 357, something like that. So these are like bullets. It's really nice to see. So if you wear this, you just like you being wanted for the good smell. Okay, so this is Max and Sons perfume again. So let's return this into the box. Okay, so you can see it's there already. Okay, and we put in here. All right, like this. Okay, so this is Max and Sons perfume unboxing of Wanted by Azzaro. Okay, UD toilet. So if you want to buy this one, you can message me. Okay, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's Max and Sons perfume. See ya.